Hello and welcome to another update video about Cardano. In this video, we're going to take a look at the Cardano price, also the Bitcoin price, and we start straight away. What I want to start with actually is this piece of news that came out, that the volume of ADA staked on the Cardano network reaches a record high. That came out just 2 hours ago apparently, and they now say that a total ADA has been staked of 73% of supply. I think that still means that ADA is the most staked cryptocurrency, and I haven't actually on the pool tool website which I use, it only shows me 72.34%, but here it's going up as well. So yeah, I think from the last video to now, this here is a new sort of all-time high as well, but they refer to 73%. Now I don't know if 73 is really true, but it is certainly going into that direction. So I think that's pretty good news. Again, it just shows that people trust the Cardano network, that people leave it staked, people want to grab these rewards, and yeah, people just love staking their Cardano, and people waiting for sort of better times in terms of the price. But again, what Cardano is doing at the moment, it is nothing unusual. It's what Cardano has done in the past, and yes, it is frustrating for everybody who moved into Cardano and who expected quick price increases, and now it's just moving sideways, unfortunately, while others are moving up. And yeah, I did expect Cardano to catch up earlier with Ethereum as well, but we talked about the reasons why that hasn't happened yet, possibly. So let's start with Bitcoin. Bitcoin already above this trend line here, this descending trend line, which is a positive sign, currently retracing probably to that horizontal. So I would expect some sort of a counter move or a reaction to that horizontal here at 61.2k very soon. I think we already see the green candle here. Now, we talked about it hitting my target level already, at least on Bitstamp it did. It didn't really do on Binance and Coinbase. However, we were nearly there, and it was a very quick move, so it was quite close. So I'm not sure, again, I'm still not sure if that ABC correction is finished. It could be finished, but I'm not 100% sure yet, obviously, because nobody is sure anyway, because nobody knows what happens next in the crypto market. But these, the Elliott Waves can give us a good hint of where things might be going. And it was quite accurate for Cardano. It was quite accurate now for Bitcoin as well, and that moved to the downside. So the question is, have we now seen that established 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to the upside? And to be honest, it is starting to look like that. You know, from down here, you know, that could have been the 1, 2, 3. Maybe we are now in a 4. No, we can't be in 4. 1, 2, 3, and that would still be the 3 because we're coming down too far now. We can't get with a 3 or with a 4 correction. We can't get down into the price range of the 1. So that would technically then still be a 3 here. We're continuing to move up potentially here. So it still hasn't established that major impulsive move to the upside yet. We would like to see here a move above the 63.5k, which is that previous high here and that high here. I think from there on we will continue our move to the upside. However, what is very good, Bitcoin is holding above the 20-day moving average as well. So that is holding quite strong. And to be honest, it's from my point of view, it's consolidating a little bit more bullish than bearish at the moment. The reasons for that, we moved again above the 20-day moving average, and we moved above that descending trend line. That is looking okay. Cardano, to be honest, that could still, what we're doing here, that could sort of still be something like a bear flag here. You know, after that move here to the downside. And yeah, we broke out of a triangle there, but that could all still be some sort of a bear flag. And with Cardano, we also talked about it did hit my target level, but I did show you in previous videos the zone between 145 and 180 or 181, and we just hit the higher level of the target, pretty similar to Bitcoin. And that is why, again, we haven't seen here an impulsive move to the upside. After that, I showed you that ABCDE, from which we then in the next move really moved out of that triangle to the downside as expected. And also we hit the target level exactly at 181. That was on Binance and I think Coinbase, not here on Kraken. but that shows how different some of these exchanges sometimes are. Now that could still be a bear flag, could result in another price drop again for Cardano. Of course, that is not guaranteed because these don't need to work out, but we can identify here a range, and a breakout to either side would indicate a let's call it a maybe not significant price move because it's only a small bear flag here, but that could indicate then the further direction. Now the support level is sitting here at around 194, 195, and the resistance level at 205. Yeah, so we also talked about that horizontal resistance level here at 203, which is pretty much what we're coming up against as well. So that is what we mentioned before, because we had at this 203 level, we had a lot of resistance before and also support in the previous weeks. And currently we are consolidating around the $2 line. Still, Cardano is fighting with the $2 line, and yeah, it's not moving a lot. So at the moment, still sort of in a state of limbo here. We need to move above the 20 and the 50-day moving averages, and I think we need to get actually above that 230, 232 level here to continue our way to the upside. That would be above that high where the E was, and it would be above that or just where that high is of the C. So yeah, we are just waiting. The 200-day moving average comes from down here actually. That is currently sitting at around 180 as well. So that will hopefully help the price to push higher, but it is obviously slow. And yeah, I think we just need to wait. We can't really see any major, let's call it major moves here at the moment. We have the drop with Bitcoin hit my target level, but it was the higher end of the higher, let's call it the higher support level of that zone that I told you between 145 and 181, which is sitting between two major Fibonacci retracement levels. And yeah, it would have been really nice to see the price go down into that range again. So that could happen again. Assuming Bitcoin drops once more, I guess Cardano could drop again. But at the moment, as I said, we're just waiting. ADA BTC as well, just sort of moving down again slightly. Yeah, we have seen that low here at that support level as well. That was the low of 3150. And since then, we have actually moved up again, but we are now coming down again. While Bitcoin is moving up a little bit, Cardano is still not really doing much, and I think people are waiting, people are getting frustrated, and to be honest, I can understand it. And yeah, I'm still gonna hold on to it because I've got it staked, so I'm just holding. And however, in parallel, we've got other interesting projects we're talking here about on this channel. So, and I know that a lot of you guys are interested in these as well. So yeah, hopefully you liked that update. If you did, please smash the like button. And if you want to follow me on this crypto journey, then please subscribe. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.